Hello everyone and good morning. Guys, I
Good
hope you
morning,
are
sir.
able to see me. Good morning, Darshan. Guys, good morning.
Good
Please come up
morning.
on
Good
the
morning,
camera,
sir.
please.
Good
Good
morning, Gus.
morning. Guys, please come
Morning,
up on the
Vikas.
camera. It will be helpful for you for our understanding. Cool. And I'm sharing my screen. And guys, why we are here? Just a small question. Why we are here? What is the reason?
We are starting cloud
We are starting the
war.
DevOps today, okay?
Yes.
And this is the day 3 for our 55 days real-time journey to migrate yourself into from any of the non-tech profile, from any of the profile to the cloud or DevOps engineer profile. Why we are migrating ourselves? The reason is only one, the package.
High
We need a high
package.
package. Thank you, Amit. Thanks for supporting me. Cool. And this is the day 3, which we have started today, which we are starting a part today only. Okay. And in this day 3, we are going to discuss everything about the DevOps in the today's session. Okay. In this image, it's very clearly mentioned that I'm going to explain you about the AI also, okay, in this batch, because some people are very much worried that because if AI comes or if the AI will come into the life, is this will be helpful or it will be a troubleful for us? But from my perspective or from the industry perspective, it will be helpful if we will adopt the AI also in our current technology. It will be very helpful. We are able to move fastly, we are able to do the automations fastly, we will able to write the code with just the theory. Okay, we just have to give the prompt, and with the help of prompt we will able to write the code. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes.
Right, we don't
Yes.
have to learn the coding. Okay, otherwise you have to learn the coding, you have to remember a lot of things, syntax. This all problems will be get solved if you will involve AI. So my plan is to involve the AI also into this complete batch. Okay, and obviously the DevOps is the primary aim which we are going to learn in the upcoming full session. Okay, and guys, to make the things simplified for you, okay, I'm just opening my website because still some student will going to ask the question, because where is the day 1 recording, where is the day 2 recording, or what is the syllabus? Okay, so make everything very simple. As soon as you will come to the website www.clouddevopshub.com, okay, you will get one pop-up, batch 38. This is the batch 38 which is started on 12th Feb, and this is the third day. As soon as you will click on enroll now, yes, you will get all the details that this batch has been started on 12th Feb, 100% live and interactive on the Zoom, plus some time or some days classes will be on the YouTube as well. Okay, and yes, last batch recording also, as I committed that we will provide you the last batch recording, just complete, because some people are want to run very fast. Okay, they want a job in 15 days, 20 days, or 1 month. So we are providing the last batch complete recording to you in the complete package, and you will able to see everything. Okay, that is only for the fast runners, not for everyone. Okay, if you feel that you don't want to run fast, it's okay, you can ignore this part, but it will be always available for you. Okay, Python for DevOps, yes, this is also we are providing. If someone want to become what we can say more into the development side, it will be helpful. And someone who is primarily looking for the job, so that will also help, because here the primary mock interviews will be there 8 p.m. IST every Wednesday. The mock interviews will happen. You have to join and you have to present yourself that what exactly the current you are, if you are good into the current. Because yesterday I was talking with one of the person, he was telling that I know this, I know this. When I asked two questions, he was not able to give the answer. So whatever you are telling or whatever the introduction, at least prepare for the first interview that how you have to introduce yourself. Agree? Ready to take this homework? Introduction. I will also help you out what you have to say, but at least you have
Yes.
to be aware about yourself, right? And we are not interested for your family and all this in personal life. Technical introduction. Okay, so please be ready for that. And this Wednesday we will discuss about the introduction of your yourself as well. Okay, and if you are already registered, you will get a continue button. If you are not a registered student, you will get a buy now option. You have to buy that course. Okay? Cool. And to make more simplified, if you will come to the website, on the top itself there is the option called join current batch. Okay, as soon as you will click here, you will able to see the batch level details. Okay, it's 100% live real-time interactive sessions, batch 38. And if you are looking for the syllabus, if you will click here, you will get the syllabus. You don't have to ask with me. Cool, got it? Okay, if you are looking for the YouTube playlist, okay, if you are looking for the YouTube playlist, you can just click here and you will be landed into the YouTube playlist. Okay, means FAQs, 15-minute video to clarify all your questions. Okay, 1 minute 49, day 1, day 2, and day 3 video will also come. Guys, is this simplified? Yes, no?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Okay. And obviously,
I don't have access for this.
YouTube, buddy, you don't require any access. I'm giving you the link. It doesn't require any access.
No,
Okay.
no, on the LMS portal.
Tarun, we will add you. Tarun, we will add you. Okay. No need to worry. Okay. In the today's session, at the end of the session, I will add you. Okay. But YouTube doesn't require any access. It's a public access. Okay. I given the link. You can click on that and you can able to see that. Cool. Okay. And yes, obviously the LMS required access. All the registered members will able to see the start button here. All the registered members will able to see what we can say. The option will be like package content. Just click on the continue. As soon as you will click on the continue, you will be landed into the system. All the PPT, videos, quiz, all the details will be available inside the system. Okay.
Vikash, sorry to interrupt you. For one day, 2 day 55 is available on YouTube.
No, no, never. This is a private room
Mm.
just for 1 or 2 or 3 days will be available on the YouTube. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, because see you in the YouTube you will not able to ask the questions. Correct?
Hmm.
Who will
Yeah,
rectify your see now so you have unmuted and you talk with me. Correct?
yeah,
Is
correct,
this
correct.
feature is not available on the YouTube? YouTube is one-sided delivery only.
Yeah, that I
Okay.
know.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Only 2 to 3 sessions will be available on the YouTube. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah. Let's come up to the agenda. Okay. Day
Sir,
3.
can we have a recording of this interview? Any recordings?
Everything will be available, obviously.
Interview
Yes.
recordings? Any
Yes.
like
Yes. Yes.
okay.
Obviously, yes. But let it happen, then only the recording will be generated and it will be delivered to you. Correct?
No, before like mock interview, we can have a
Last
one
batch. You are talking about last batch?
last batch interview
Yes.
recording.
Yes. Yes. Last batch interview recordings are available. Okay.
No, not mock interview, just final interview if anyone recorded some company's interview.
No, no, no. That's
No,
not legal.
that's not.
Okay.
Okay,
Don't do
okay.
any illegal activity, please.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
okay.
Don't record it. Okay. Because it's not legal activity. Okay. Whatever the mock interviews we will take, we will record and we will give it.
Yeah, yeah, that is also fine. Okay.
Cool. Okay. So if you will, as I told you, you have a previous batch access also. I will show you. Okay. And as after login means you have to create your account. All the registered members has created the account, so no need to worry. After login, as soon as you will click on the dashboard, you will be landed into the home page of yourself. Okay. This is the admin page. So a lot of things will be there. And inside the package, one package will be visible like this: batch 38 live, batch 37 recording. As soon as you will click on that, you will able to see everything related to the packages. Okay, what all things are available. This is the one where batch 38 is written. I'm talking, we are running this. Okay, and if you will see here, last batch 37 full recording videos are available. So if you will click here, you will be landed into the batch 37, the previous batch. Okay, and as soon as you will open that, if you will come into this, I will show the user view. Okay, in this user view everything is visible. Okay, the 1, 2, 3, all the previous days recording. And if someone is asking more interview recording, second last option. Okay, guys, be slow. Lot of things are there. Okay, lot of things are there. Are you agree? Yes or no? So close everything and see into the order. And if you are looking for the mock interview, yes, here the mock interview related videos are available. Whatever the mock interviews happen. Make sense? Okay. Or your mock interviews also will come into this step. One of the mock interviews for batch 38 recordings. Cool. But let it happen, then only the recordings and PPTs will come. Correct? Cool. Chalo, let's come to the today's thing. Okay. But because day 2 is not completed. Yes, I agree. Some things are pending on the day 2. I will at first we will complete the day 2 related pending activities and then we will move to the day 3. Okay, in the day 3, just if someone is watching on the YouTube or very first time you are coming to the class, if you don't be a part of any of the WhatsApp community, please scan this barcode and join the WhatsApp community so that at least you will get the update, you will get the details. Please, if anyone is watching on the YouTube, you can pause for 10 seconds and you can scan this barcode and join the community, please. Cool. I am coming into the day 2 part. Okay, where is the day 2? Yeah, here is the day 2 slide. I'm just coming here. Guys, help me out. What all things we have already covered up? Okay. In the yesterday's session, we have started with the data center. Are you agree? Yes or no? We have started with the data center, right? Are you
Yes.
guys? I need an
Yes.
interaction. Yes, yes, I know. Right? We started with the data center. We understand that what all the problems will happen, how the data center has to be get created. We have to go to the shopping, we have to go to the rent, or we have to take the hosting providers. These are the three options, and with the help of that, yes, data center can be generated. If any of the problem happen, what is the solution? What is the solution?
To go to data center.
We have to
Data
run to the
center and
data
run.
center and troubleshoot. It can be network issue, it can be congestion issue, it can be any issue. Okay. Only solution is first you have to run it to the data center, then only you will able to troubleshoot. And there are so many problems we have discussed: network problem, congestion problem, what we can say, DR problem, flood problem, any of the problem happen into the data center will be taken care, or it will be a loss for you or your business. That's why we are moving into the cloud. Okay. And when we are moving into the cloud, there are multiple cloud providers come into the picture. Tell me the cloud providers names.
GCP,
AWS, Google,
AWS,
Azure,
GCP,
Alibaba,
Alibaba,
Oracle.
IBM,
Azure,
Oracle.
Alibaba, Oracle. Cool.
Azure.
These are the cloud providers. We are using their services. Which services? We are using their cloud computing services. Okay, they are providers. They are providing their services. Now tell me some services names, please. Resources name.
EC2, VPC,
EC2,
EC2,
VPC,
S3.
IAM,
RDS,
The
S3,
IAM. Okay,
cloud formation.
ECR.
correct. We are using their services. That services is we are using their services is coming into the cloud computing category. Okay, and from cloud computing today we are moving into the cloud services category. Okay, there are many varieties of services are available which we are going to discuss today, and then after that we will move into the application architecture. Okay, so I need 30 minutes to, or more than 20 minutes is enough if you will not ask much questions. So in the 20-25 minutes I will cover up this part. Okay, ready? Excited?
Yes.
That's a definitely.
Yeah,
Cool. Obviously, yes. Okay, no choice. Oh my God, I given some homework to you guys also. Have you researched on that part? You have to create one website. What all components will be required? This is the homework. Yesterday I given. How many people did the research? I can able to see Giri. She has not did it. What about others? Guys, please
Yes.
do the research. Okay, because very important thing is how to use the Google, how to make the cheatings, how to do the homeworks. That's also matters, right? Yes or no?
Yes,
Are you agree with my point?
yes.
Ashwini is telling yes. Good, nice. Okay, so Ashwin, I need your help, and we will create a website in the today's session itself. Okay, cool.
sure.
And okay, I given two homeworks. One is this one, and one is another one. Which one? I'm repeating again and again. Which one?
And that AWS, all the components are there.
Thank you, thank you. Yes, AWS free tier related thing. Just explore, because Monday we will create a AWS and GCP account. If you have to be aware that what all things are free. Cool. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. These are the two homeworks. Still, you can take it, continue over the weekend also. Okay, not a problem. Okay. Cool. We have already discussed this, so I'm just continuing. Okay. And we already came into the cloud in the yesterday session. Okay. So now I am coming here. Yes, types of cloud we have already discussed: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud.
Hybrid.
Okay, these are the types of cloud. Okay, if someone will ask, no one will ask. It's a very basic question. Okay, what types of cloud is this? Okay, and now I am coming into theory. Ignore. Okay, theory you can learn it by or read by own. Okay, yeah. Advantages of the cloud. We have stopped our session in this place. Correct?
Yes,
Now tell me the benefits or advantages of the cloud. What are the advantages? You can read and give me the answers. Cool. Go ahead.
cost saving and pay
Very
as
first.
you go. Pay
One
as
thing.
you go.
Correct. Cost saving. Okay. Why? You don't require the initial amount to set up the servers, right? If you have a zero amount also in your pocket, you can at least create an account and get the server whatever you want. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Second point related to cost saving is if you're not using it, you can just destroy the resource or delete the resource so that you don't have to pay anything. Correct?
Yes.
I will complete that point also, the Giri points. Pay as you go model. Pay as you go model means if you're using it, you have to pay. If you're not using it, you don't have to pay. Correct? Cool. The second point.
Loss prevention.
What do you mean by this? Can anyone explain? Yes, please, fast. Victor, give me the answer. Hemant.
We
Upal.
cannot
To
like
change anything, but
loss our data, we can always save our.
Very less chances that we may get the loss of data. Okay, I will explain you everything, this thing into the S3. Okay, S3 is telling I'm giving you 99.9 times 11 times 9 guarantee or durability that your data will be always available into the cloud system. Okay, and guys, this is too much. Okay, what does it means? In 10 million years, 10 million years, one file may be lost. Okay, this is a guarantee AWS is telling into the S3. Okay, so yes, data will be very difficult to lose it, and because multiple replicas, multiple data centers are available. Security wise, yes, cloud is very secure as compared to our own data center. We don't know the security part, right? Otherwise we have to have some security engineers. Okay, how they will work we don't know, but they have a very high security, in good engineers are there, they have created it, or their system has been created according. Make sense? Yes or no? Okay, you can collaborate. Okay, let assume you want to scale up in a higher manner, you can collaborate very easily. Okay, you also had some server, I also have some server, we can put into the VPC and collaboration is very easy. Is that possible? We can collaborate with the data centers. Very difficult, right? So these are the one of the benefit. Quality control, the quality of the application, software, hardware will be very good as compared to your own data center, right? And scaling is very difficult. Scaling is very difficult if you want to scale up. Yesterday we take an example from 24 GB RAM to the 32 GB. If we have to take it, it's also difficult. Are you agree? Yes or no? Right, so things are difficult, or things are very difficult into the data centers, but in the cloud it will be very easy, and the quality of the hardware will be very better as compared to our own data centers. Okay, inside sometimes we may not able to make the discovery of our what we can say discovery of our data center, it's very difficult. Okay, but with the help of with the help of cloud, they are giving some one service. Okay, click on this service, you will get the complete inside of your whatever the resources you are using. This is again one of the benefit. Centralized system or centralized security is also available into the cloud. Make sense? Yes, no?
Yes.
Victor
Yes.
is so excited, I feel. Victor, where are you? You are in
I'm
Nigeria?
here. I'm in Canada.
Canada, cool. Thanks. Last time when we meet, you are in Nigeria, correct?
Yeah, correct.
Cool, cool. Thank you. Congratulations to move into the Canada.
Yeah, thank you, Vikas.
Cool. Okay. Now there are some more benefits like fast. Okay, if you need an infrastructure, it will be very fast, flexible, scalable. Okay, reduce the cost. Okay, infrastructure cost will be very less. It improve the business and collaborations. Okay, because if the application runs smoothly, the business will be good. Business value will be increased if you will say I have my own data center, so they can feel that you can't scale up very easily. Okay, if you will say we are into the cloud, so they can say if the business will grow, suddenly you can able to increase the things. Okay, easy backups and restore. Otherwise, if you will be into the data center, all the things will be manual scripted, you have to do manual activities. But if you are into the cloud, it will be easy, just a one click button, you have to take the backup, and with the help of one click it will be restored as well. Or even we can automate that part as well into the cloud. Okay, leave it. Flexible storage, whatever the types of storage you want. Okay, multiple varieties of storage, we will talk into the S3 part. So multiple varieties of storage options are available, and flexible migration of the data from one storage to another is also possible into the automated way. Okay, mobility means wherever you want your data center, that also will be possible. That you want to create your data center into the Mumbai region, you want to create your data center into the US, you want to create your data center into the Australia, that is also possible. Just one clicks and you can able to create your data centers into the different regions. Okay, if it's available, let us assume you are Indian students. Okay, my example, my website application, we have hosted our application is completely running into the AWS cloud. Okay, and we have two data centers. Okay, one is into the Mumbai and another into the US center. Okay, so what will happen? Indian people, okay, let us assume some people are from India. Okay, some people, this is just my bad drawing. Okay, some people are from the India. If they have to access it, with the help of load balancer, it will redirect to the India data center. Okay, so that latency will be high, or they will able to access the application or everything very fastly. Someone from the US, instead of going into the India data center, they will able to access the application from the US data center as well. Okay, so that what will happen, they can able to access, run the application, run the videos, PPT which we are uploading into the 4K will be accessible quickly to you. Okay, so like that's why we are keeping into the two data center. Why? Because you are wasting the money if you have very less resources from the US. The benefit is like, let assume my US data center is down with any of the reason, okay, or my application is down into the US, my all the traffic from the US will also be redirect into the India, so that user will not face any downtime problem. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Are you agree? Vice
Yes.
versa. If India data center is down with any of the reason, whatever is the reason, my fault, server fault, or whatever it is, okay, traffic will be redirected into the US. Maybe slow, little bit slow, okay, which you may not able to observe, but yes, application will be always on. This type of flexibility we will get it with the help of cloud. Make sense? Can
Vikas,
I
I have a question.
wait?
Like we have one website, and is there any like we have to uh, deploy it in multiple data centers or what?
It will be
In the
required.
real time?
See, in the real time, yes, in the real time, one keyword will come, which is one of the interview question, high availability.
Yes, I have.
This is one of the favorite interview question, high availability. If you need a high availability in your application, then yes, you have to create your application into the, or you have to deploy your application into the multiple or different data centers.
In multiple
Okay.
Okay.
features.
I will
So,
cover
sir,
up into the day one of the AWS session. I will teach you all these things. Okay, how to create a high availability, scalability, auto scaling. I will cover up into the day one of AWS.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
So, sir, for different data center, we have to purchase anything. Is there?
Obviously, obviously, yes. Okay,
Oh,
yes. Okay, without purchasing, nothing is free. Okay, in this world, nothing is free. Okay, if you need a better application, you need it. Okay, so I will show you where exactly I was talking about. Yes, I will. We will talk about on the day 9. We will talk about the global infrastructure, different data centers, and high performance, low latency related thing, and auto scaling. I have not mentioned. I will show you. Mm, yeah, vertical scaling, horizontal scaling, auto scaling, high availability. On the day 10 we will discuss all these things. Cool.
So because I have a question.
On the day 10 we will discuss that thing. Right. Go ahead, Roshan, what's your question?
Yeah, my question is, Amit asked the question, like somebody said that like we have to purchase the data center, right?
No,
Let's
we have
take
to
the
purchase the service from the data center. We don't have to purchase the
service.
data center. Yes.
Yeah. So let's suppose I'm giving you the example. Let's suppose Flipkart.com. If
Hmm.
somebody wants to see that server of
Hmm.
Flipkart.com, so he
Hmm.
can able to access. So is this is the reason that he can able to access from the US or UK from
Okay,
anywhere?
okay. For that, I have to teach you the latency. Okay. First, let me teach you the latency. Then you can, Roshan, ask the same question. Okay. Your question will be clarified automatically. Fine. Means you have to understand some more basics. Then that question will be clarified automatically. Fine. Okay. But yeah, this type of benefits we will get into the cloud if we will move into the cloud side. Okay. If I will ask the very simple question, what will be the architecture of the cloud? Some people will think it's very difficult, very tough. No, guys, it's very simple. The architecture of cloud look like this. Okay, what exactly it is? Uh, the services are available. Okay, services can be EC2 machine, database, RDS, storage, network. Okay, into any of the provider. Let's take an example, AWS. Okay, AWS is provider. We are using their services. That's why we are calling as a cloud computing. And these are the different services are there. We users, okay, with the help of laptop, guys, be on mute, Giri, be on mute. Okay, laptop, mobiles, or with the help of different resources, with the help of only internet we will able to access everything. Correct. Let me show it to you. Okay,
Yeah,
right now I'm into my browser. Okay, this is my browser. Okay, in the browser I'm just clicking on the aws.amazon.com. Okay, on the console. As soon as I will be signing in, with the help of internet or with the help of browser, I will able to connect to the cloud. Correct. Yes or no? Are you agree?
Yeah, yes,
Yes.
yes, absolutely.
Right?
Yes.
So what exactly is required to connect to the cloud? These are the services available. If I will click here, all the 200 services things are available here. I can connect to any of the service with the help of just the internet connection. Okay, or obviously the required access will be required. If you have a proper access, you will able to access the resources. This is the architecture of cloud. Don't think much. Okay, and now we have divided into two part: front end, you, okay, your browser, okay, browse your browser, and second the backend where the actual cloud is there. Okay, and with the help of internet connection, we will able to access the cloud. Okay, cool. Now, important thing. When I'm talking about the deployment model, just three varieties of clouds will come into the picture: public, hybrid, or private cloud. 95% companies are using or has to be, or your application has to be available into the private cloud. So our 100% focus will be on the private cloud. Cool. And which service in the AWS? Which one?
Virtual private cloud,
VPC.
VPC.
VPC. Okay, we have to focus primarily on the VPC. Cool. Now, let us assume you created the VPC. In the yesterday class also we created the VPC. What are the names we have created? I remember the name.
Amit and Hemant.
Amit and Hemant. Very good. Guys, remember it. Please, it will be helpful. Okay. Amit and Hemant, two VPCs we have created in the yesterday's session. Okay. Now, let us assume VPCs are ready. Now you have to deploy the application. Correct? The next part will come deploy the application. If you deploy the application, then you have to be aware about the service models. Okay. There are three varieties of service models. Let me make it. It is going outside. There are three varieties of service models are available. Okay, that is infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. How many people are already aware about these three services names? How many people? Just I need me into the chat box. Chat box, please. With example. Ashwin is telling, Amit is telling 2. What about others? Jeevan 3. Yes, you are just saying me or you are already aware?
Yeah, I am aware.
I'm
Little bit.
aware. Good. Okay, good. Let me cover up and then you will see that whatever you know or whatever I have covered up. Okay, good. So these are multiple varieties of services are available. Okay, before going to do that, cloud computing is a combination. If someone will ask what is the cloud computing definition, no one will ask, but you have to be aware. Cloud computing is a combination of service model and deployment model. If you will go into this site, yes, cloud computing is divided into two parts: deployment model and service model. Okay, our focus, if you know this part, you will get only 2 to 5 lakh package. Okay, so you don't have to focus into this part. If you know this part, at least you can reach by 10 to 15 LPA. Okay, so where we have to focus, guys? Service models,
Service
right?
model.
Okay,
Yes.
reach into this package, then we have some more thing to go into the 30-35 LP package. Okay, so in the next 20 minutes I will come up into that part. Yeah. Now I'm here, cloud computing, service model and deployment model combination is called cloud computing. Okay, it contains network, servers, storage, application, and services. Okay, rapidly provision. Say just in within 1 minute or within 30 seconds, the application will be available. Okay, no initial cost or very minimal efforts will be required. Just a multiple 2 to 3 clicks, and your application will be ready into the cloud. Okay. Now, if I will ask you how the cloud computing works, can anyone give me the answer? How the cloud computing works? Go ahead. Simple answer,
Virtual.
guys. Virtually, okay. I hope you read it. No, it's okay. Yeah, go ahead, go
No,
ahead. Little bit. I need more answer. Your answer is perfect, correct. What about this? How the cloud computing works? Tarun, answer. Jeevan, Giri,
सर
Victor.
बैकएंड में
Based
वर्चुअलाइजेशन
on
काम है
service model and deployment model.
Okay, okay. What else? What else? No?
Virtualization of physical.
Virtualization. Okay, this is a good keyword. Okay, chalo, let's come up. Okay, cloud computing is a combination of service model, deployment model. We know. Okay, cloud computing is possible because of the technology called virtualization. We have an internet, and with the help of internet, we can connect. That's why the cloud computing becomes success. If there is no internet, cloud computing will work.
no.
No,
No,
right?
no,
It is possible because of the virtualization.
no.
Now, what is virtualization? Accessing someone's hardware, ideally in the data center, CPU, memory, disks, all these things, hardwares, every resources are available. Correct?
Yes.
Accessing someone's hardware. Who is the owner of that? At this point, we talk about
AWS.
AWS. AWS is the owner for this hardware, but we are accessing someone else hardware virtually. That is called virtualization. If we are accessing someone else hardware virtually, means with the help of internet we are accessing. That's why we are calling as a virtualization. Okay. Technical term of the virtualization is like, if someone, this is a virtual machine. Okay. There is a machine. There is a machine. Okay, we are accessing that machine with the help of virtualization. That's why we are calling as a virtual machine. Correct?
Yes.
I am explaining you from the virtually, right? With the help of internet, you are connected with me. Agree?
Yeah.
Doesn't matter where I'm sitting. Yes or no? Agree?
Yes.
Or doesn't matter where you are sitting. You, until you have an internet connection, you will able to connect with me. Right? So how these things are possible? These things are possible because of the internet connection or because of the virtualization. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Same way the cloud services are available. I am physically available. Yes, in the server, in the AWS also, physically hardwares are available. Okay, I'm a physical. I'm not a robot. Right? Yes or no? I'm a human being.
Yes.
Agree? So physically, I'm available into one of the location called Bangalore. Okay. Yep. Okay. So same way data center is available in the some region. Good. Now,
Because there would be any limitation of the virtual machine, like the storage capacity of it.
no. Cloud is virtually unlimited. There is no limit. Okay, if you have a budget, you can get thousands of machines, 10,000 of machines as well. Okay, if they don't have, but you have a budget, AWS will purchase and give it to you. Right? They are the service provider.
Yeah,
They are
so they
getting a
might have
business.
some data center, right?
They have a
Setup,
data
which would
center.
have.
They have a data center. Yes. Okay. In the yesterday's session, we just talked. These are the data centers, different data centers.
Yeah, that.
Okay. Yeah.
No, actually, my thought was there would be some limitation of memory
There is
capacity of
no,
that data
see, if
center.
you get a business, okay, let's assume simple thing. You have a car business, okay, and if you get a contract of 10 new cars, okay, so you will purchase 10 new cars and give it to them, right? Agree?
Yes.
Right? Until unless you will get a money, you will purchase and give it to them. Same thing. If AWS don't have, let's assume that you have a very big requirement, AWS you don't have, then what will happen? AWS will purchase and give it to you. They are the service provider, right? They will create one more data center if you are a big client. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Now I'm coming to the scenario which I given the homework. Okay, the homework was you have to create a one of the website www.clouddevopshub.com. What all components will be required to create any of the website? Okay, guys, quickly give me the answer.
Front end, back end.
One second. Let me write it.
We need to select programming language
The language and the
and
database.
host,
Go ahead.
host
API
name,
key, web hosting,
host name,
Host name.
domain name,
Same thing. Front end, provide different and okay. Domain name, DNS. Okay. Backend,
API key,
APIs. Okay. Yep. Good.
database,
DB. Yes.
Server and hosting, load balancer,
Yes, okay.
Data center.
Hosting, HOSTI. Data center, we don't need hosting. Hosting provider. Okay.
networking,
Networking, okay. VPC,
SSL certificate,
okay. Security, SECURITY. SSL. Guys, what is SSL? Because some people will ask, what is SSL?
Security.
Full form, at least.
security socket layer.
Security socket layer. Why it is help or what is the use of that? If you will come to any of the site, let's come to my website only. Is this secure or not? You can make the transition or not. If this type of questions come, then you can go here and you can check it. Yes, if S is coming.
HTTPS.
S is
HTTPS.
coming means it is secure. It is verified, validated. Okay. And how we can verify any of the website it is secure or validated or not? You can
By
just click
checking
here
the certificate.
by checking the connections. Okay, connection is secure. One thing is coming here. As soon as you will click here, certificate is valid. Okay, it will show the certificate also. If you will click here, yes, it will say that issued on 16 November to 16 December 2024 and valid in 16 March 2025. After that, we have to renew every year. The policy, the website owner has to renew that website, renew the certificates. Okay, so this type of things are there. Cool. So this is called SSL. If you want to create a secure website, yes, you have to generate the SSL certificate and put it into the server. Cool. What else? Good. I need a components. I don't need anything. I need
Testing,
components.
logo,
Testing. Okay, testing team. Okay. Logo, obviously बात है any website logo. What else?
Maintenance and
Some
Correct.
images.
Ops team. Okay.
Ops
Ops
load,
team will load. Okay. ELB. ELB testing. Cool. I think this many components are enough, right?
Yes,
Out
sir.
of that, repo. What is repo?
Auto scaling.
Leave it. Guys, out of that HTML, I'm agree. Front end and HTML both are same. Correct? Yes or no? It has to be written by the
Yes.
developer. Okay, developer will write the code. If you're thinking about the code, yes, here is the thing. DNS, yes, what URL you want. So I'm just putting it upfront that we need a DNS. Okay, and if you want to run it, we need a hosting. Okay, hosting providers will be there, and where this code will run, guys. I need your answer. Where this code will run? Front end code where it will run? On the web
Browser,
server.
IDE or
web
some
server,
such.
Web server, man. Web server. Okay, we need a web server. Tell me the web server's names.
Nginx,
Apache,
Nginx,
Apache,
Apache,
Tomcat,
Tomcat,
Apache, Tomcat.
Maven,
Enough. Okay, Apache, Tomcat,
Spring Boot,
TOM. That's okay. Tomcat. Okay. Backend, some databases will be required, so you will store.
MySQL,
It's okay. It's okay. Yes, SQL databases are required. Your relational database, SQL and MySQL database will be required. Okay. Cool. Okay, so DB part will also come here only in this line. Storage part will also come into this line. Okay, I'm just simplifying the things. Okay, and where API, all the connection will be happen in between. So this should be data front end and middleware between. Okay, DB multiple times removing it. Everything should be into the VPC. Okay, so I'm just putting into the VPC. Okay, and this testing team logo and these other extra things will be there. Okay, all these things will be added into the virtual machine. Correct? VM, right? Yes or no?
yes,
We need a VM, then we need an operating system also. Operating system, which is the most popular operating system?
Ubuntu,
Ubuntu.
Ubuntu Linux.
Ubuntu, Linux. Yes. Okay.
Windows.
Thank you. So no one says Windows. Okay. So we need at least this many components so that we can create any of the website. Correct? Yes or no?
yes.
If I will tell you have to create one website, how much time will it will be required?
Mm,
At least 10 days from planning, from sketch.
10 days. Okay. And obviously budget will be required. Yes or no?
Yes, obviously.
Amount will be required because you will purchase a virtual machine, you will purchase operating system, you will give something to developer, you will make something, you will some profit will be there for you, right? How much will be the approx approx price will come to create any of the website?
It's a small scale, then 50,000.
Guys, are you agree? Yes, 50,000. He is not asking much standard amount. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now what I'm doing it, yes, I'm taking the same scenario. Okay, I'm creating the same website with the help of cloud and DevOps technology. Okay, if we will go for this traditional approach, we have to worry for individual components, all these things. But now DevOps will come into the picture and you will see the power of cloud and DevOps. Okay, so now what I'm doing it, I'm coming into I'm just giving some 6 steps, simple steps. Read it one time. Okay, go to any of the cloud provider. You can go to GCP, AWS, Azure, anything. At this point, I will go into the Google Cloud. Okay, and I'm creating a virtual machine here. Okay, can we do it step 1 and step 2? Are you ready?
yes, sir.
Okay, what I'm doing it, I'm going to my Google Cloud. And yes, I'm coming here, I'm closing all unnecessary tabs. Okay, and I'm going into the Google Cloud. Console.cloud.google.com is the Google Cloud URL. Okay, I will help you to create the Google Cloud account as well. No need to worry. Okay, I'm clicking on the 3 tabs and I'm coming into the compute engine and I'm coming into the VM instance because I need a virtual machine. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes.
Okay, now I'm clicking on the create instance. Okay, and I need anyone's of your name who need a highest package. Anyone name? Ashwin. Guys, be ready. Okay, sometime. SHWIN. Ashwin. Okay, I'm creating a machine with the name Ashwin. It will be into the US Central. It's let it go. I'm taking all the default configuration. 2 CPU, 1 core, and 4 GB memory will come. I'm taking the default configuration. Means only one click I did till now. I given the name Ashwin. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Yes.
Sir.
Now I'm coming into the operating system. Okay, and this is my second click. I'm changing from Debian to Ubuntu. I click on the change button. Operating system, I'm choosing the Ubuntu. Okay, and now after choosing the Ubuntu version 20.4 LTS version came. 20.4, you have to remember it. This is the current version is happening into the Ubuntu, which you can use for the next 2 to 3 years. That's why LTS is coming. Within next 1 year, LTS will be removed, and you have to upgrade yourself from 20 version to 22 or 24, whatever the latest will be there. Cool. The next 1 year, one and a half year, we are good to use this. Tell me any of the number, how much size of the CPU or root disk you want.
25.
25. Okay. 25. Okay. Yep. And I did my third click and I selected this configuration. My configuration Ashwin, Ubuntu machine, and 25 GB storage. Okay. And I'm coming into the networking. I'm allowing the traffic. You are talking about security. Yes, I'm allowing that security traffic as well. Okay. My third click. And now as soon as I will click on the create, my machine is ready. With the help of 4 click, my machine or my virtual machine is ready. Have you understood?
Yes.
Everyone.
Yes.
Okay, I'm repeating
Yes.
quickly.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
I'm repeating one more time. Create an instance, click on that. Again, tell me the name, any one of you.
Giri.
Giri. Okay, Giri.
Is it free?
Yes.
Yes, it will be free for the next
But
3 months.
right side there's the price is
Obviously,
there.
obviously, charges will be there. Okay, nothing is free in this world, but I will help you out to create a 3 months free account. Okay,
Oh,
cool. So now I'm creating a machine with the name Giri. My first click, second I'm clicking here. I'm changing the operating system. Okay. I'm changing the operating system Ubuntu Ubuntu. Okay,
And
and
not
yes,
finish 20 point something.
mute. Ubuntu 20.4 LTS version will come. Any other number 25 in place of 25. I'm taking 20 GB. Okay, my second click, my configuration is done. Operating system related configuration is done. Networking, I just selected the network because I want to log in into the machine from the internet. Correct. So internet is required. Traffic should go. Otherwise, this machine will be get created in US. I'm sitting into the India. How can I connect? So internet or traffic will be allowed. Now I will click on create and machine will be ready. Cool. Just 4 click and machine will be ready. All clear?
Yes.
Okay. And obviously, yes, the green symbol is coming. The instance is already up and running. Now two interview questions may come. Internal IP or external IP? What do you mean by internal IP? What do you mean by external IP?
Public and private IP.
Public and private IP. Very good. This is external IP is called public IP. Internal IP is called private IP. What is the benefit of two IPs? What is the reason?
For internal communication, we use internal IP. And then if
Very
we want to connect with someone is want to connect to our website, then it will use public IP.
Very good. Guys, in the things, two things are there: intranet or internet.
Yeah.
Yes.
Intranet, if you are
It's
already
internal.
into the cloud, okay, internal things, okay, internal cloud. If you have to call to our mother or somewhere who is in the same house, mommy, we can call, and this is intranet, right? Yes or
Yes.
no? Right? If you have someone is outside, you have to call from the mobile phone. That is intranet. Agree? So internet, internal communication. Let us assume I have 5 machines here. They want to talk with each other. So how they can talk it? With the help of internal communication. Make sense?
Yes.
Okay.
Internal.
And correct. And if they want to make it the external connection, yes, we need a public IP. Or with the if your machine is, let us assume one machine is Amit machine, which is in another cloud or some other place, then we need an internet IP. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. So these are the two IPs are available. Okay. And as soon as I will click on the SSH, I click on the SSH and I will be landed into the machine. Now, a lot of mechanisms are happening in between. Transferring the public key, private key. My keys are getting transferred. After the keys are getting transferred, with the help of port number 22, I will be landed into the machine. I will teach you all these things. No need to worry, but just see one click and I have landed into the machine. Agree?
Yes.
Everyone? Yes, no?
Yes.
Cool,
Yes.
thank you. And yes, this is Ashwin machine and Vikas has been logged into the machine. Very good. Let me show you. Yes, step 1 and step 2 completed. Done? Yes, no.
Yes,
Yes.
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 Yes, yes.
In technical terms, I
Yes.
can call
Correct.
as in technical term, I call as my infra is ready.
Hmm.
Right? Infrastructure is ready. This is called infrastructure. Correct?
Hmm.
Now the DevOps engineer come into the picture and he will do these steps. Install Docker. Okay. I know you don't know Docker, no need to worry, but let me do it something. Okay. And then you will see that what exactly is happening. Okay. What I'm taking all these steps into my notepad. Okay. And I will write it in front of you guys. I will perform in front of you guys. Okay. Okay. Prasad, you have a background noise. Guys, please respect that if you have a background noise, don't be on mute. Okay. Otherwise, intentionally, you have to mute everyone. Please. Okay. So step 1 is completed. Step 2 is also completed. Now I'm installing the Docker. With the help of line number 8, sudo -i, I will become a root user. Okay. So I'm just typing this and currently I'm a Vikas user. As soon as I press this, I become a root user. Okay. Means extra privileges I get with the help of sudo -i command. No need to worry. If you're thinking that Vikas, I don't know this command, no need to worry. Okay. Next week we have a full Linux sessions. Okay. 1 week I will teach you the Linux. Okay. From next Monday to Friday, I will teach you the Linux and I will make you the Linux ready. Cool. Okay. Agree?
Agreed.
Hello. Yes, sir. Sir, I just want to know that what is a Docker and what they exactly use of it.
Hardik. At this point, Docker is a DevOps tool. Okay.
Okay.
At this point.
Okay.
Cool. I will take 1 week of session and I will teach you the expert into the Docker.
Okay. Okay.
Day 30 to day 35. Means I at this point I'm not means you have to learn the Linux, you have to learn the cloud, then only the Docker will come. But I'm using the Docker at this point to show you something. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
And now I will run the command line number 9 command apt get update. Is anyone here who knows what is apt get update command will do?
It
It
will
To
update
update.
the
update the
It
machine.
will update the it will update the package of the system.
It will refresh the web host.
It will update all the packages of the machine. Okay, this is the best practice we have to follow. If someone asks you into the interview what best practice you are following, as soon as you created the machine you have to update the packages. Okay, when we purchase a new mobile we will update, connect with the internet and update, right? When we install any software, any operating system in the laptop, or then we will connect with the internet and we'll update all the packages, correct? The same thing we are doing here, apt get update, and all the packages will be get updated into the machine. Okay, cool. Now let assume someone told because what is Docker, what how to install Docker, we don't know. Okay, chalo, it's okay. I am also in the same situation. I don't know Docker. Okay, so what I'm doing it, you know the spelling of Docker? Yes or no?
Yes.
Tell me the spelling of Docker.
DOCKER.
Docker. Okay. If you don't know anything, just type spelling of the Docker. Okay, I type it and I get an error. Docker is not found. Docker is not available in this machine. Okay, means he's telling if you want to install, just run this command and 24.017 version will be installed. I'm just copying this and I pasted this command. Is that okay? Okay,
Okay.
and I'm pressing enter. My Docker is installed. Okay, he is asking 301 additional space will be required. Do you are agree? I'm telling yes, and I press enter, and my Docker will be installed in the machine. Is this tough? Guys, tell me, is this tough?
No.
No, sir.
Practical, I made it easy, but you don't know the definition of Docker. It's okay. It's okay. Park it for some time. Okay, but Docker has been installed in this machine. Now, after the Docker has been installed, I will run one command docker-v. Can you guess it? What will happen with this command?
The version of the
Docker version will be
It will be show the
displayed.
Docker, which version of Docker is installed. The Docker version 26.1 has been installed in my machine. Cool. Got it? Ankit, your question, package manager. APT is the package manager at this point. Okay. And I will teach you the Linux. In the Linux, this all things will be covered up. Okay. Cool. So at this point, Docker 26.01 version has been 26.1.3 version has been installed. Cool. Now this step 3, my means my infra or my see earlier in earlier case, where is this thing? In earlier, I was telling my infra was ready. Okay, my infra, these two things are infra, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, now second, after installing a Docker, my platform is ready. You get my point?
Yes.
Now I have my platform means my infra is ready, my platform is ready. Now I can bring any of the website, I can bring any of the code, and I can run the application. So what I'm
Service.
doing it, I'm downloading the website. Means either I can take the help from the developer give me the code. Okay, I don't have any developer at this point. So I'm going to one of the website freecss.com. Okay, as soon as I will go into this website, there are so many templates are available. Ready-made free templates are available. I'm going into this place and I'm just clicking on, yeah, choose any of the number, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Any of the number, please.
3.
3. 3 is Carnival. Okay, car villa. Okay, I'm opening this. Something car related website will be get created. Can I create it in front of you guys?
Yes.
Okay. If I will click on this download button, what will happen? The code will be downloaded in my Windows machine. Correct?
Correct.
But I need this code into my Linux machine. How can I take into the Linux machine? There is a command.
SCV.
Unzip. We have to unzip this file.
wget command to download the template.
Okay. So what I'm doing it, I'm just copying the URL, this download URL command. Okay, and I'm writing the command wget. If you want to download any of the thing from the internet, okay, then we have to run the wget command and press enter the URL, and as soon as I press enter, it will be downloaded in my Linux machine. Okay, if you don't know this command wget, what you can do it, you can download in Windows. There is a upload option is there. Click, choose the file from your machine. Okay, and you can upload it. But this is manual way, right? I don't like this manual way. We have to learn the commands. Are you agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, if this upload button tomorrow Google Cloud has removed it, then right, so if you know the command, you can able to do all the activities. From the UI also is possible, upload, download, so many options are there, but you must have to be aware about the command. Now with the help of ls command, sorry, with the help of ls command, I can able to see that carvilla.zip one file has been downloaded in my machine. Make sense?
Yes.
But sir, if I create a website from my side in my local machine, then I must
then you will use this option. Then you will use this option.
Yes.
Okay.
Definitely.
Or if you have uploaded your code into the GitHub, then you will run the git clone command and you will download it. Correct? Are you agree, guys?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Right? I will do that also. I will do
Yes.
that also into the future classes. Okay. Now I have a zip file. Guys, in the Windows also have a zip file. Okay. I am in my Windows machine. Okay. See my Windows machine in the download folder. I get this. I want to unzip it. How can I do it in the Windows?
Right click WinRAR.
Click and unzip.
Right click, extract all software is there, 7-zip software is there, WinZip software is there. So many softwares are there. With the help of any software, I can unzip it. Correct?
Yes.
Correct.
Yes.
Can you give me the Linux command to do the
Unzip.
same activity?
Unzip.
Unzip file name dot zip.
Unzip
File name.
Carnival.
file
File
name.
name.
That's
File
it.
name.
Carvilla.
Yes, yes.
Okay, and I'm pressing enter. I press enter and I get an error. What is the error?
Yes, we need to install this unzip.
Package.
He's telling you don't have
Apt
this
install.
unzip software. Correct?
So we
He's
need to-
telling I don't have the unzip software. Okay, so what I'm, and Linux is very smart. If you don't know, then you run this command and the software will be installed in your machine. Got it?
Yes.
I press enter and my software has been downloaded in my machine 80%. And this, do you feel that it's very simple installing software, installing application in Linux? What do you say?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Guys,
So far,
yes,
yes.
Linux is very simple. Okay, when in the next 1 week, if you will give 1 week time to me, I will teach you the Linux up to that level so that Linux will be very simple to you. Okay, and cool, my software is oh, what happened? Your software has been installed. Now what I'm doing it, I'm running the same command, unzip carvilla.zip file, and I press enter. Now what happened? Yes, that has been extracted. Okay,
Yes.
Cool. Means here is my complete code. Agree?
Yes.
Now what I'm doing it, if the code is available, because where it will run? It will run into the external IP. I don't know where you are sitting. Someone is sitting in India, someone is sitting in Canada, US, UK, I don't know. So what I'm doing it, I'm copying this IP. I'm checking in my website, okay, on the port number 80. All the websites will run on the port number 80. As soon as I press enter, I'm able to see nothing is running. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I'm giving this also to you all. You can also check anything is working or not. Yes, I'm giving the IP address 35.223.122.119. Can you check it? Anything working for you? For me, it's not working.
Not working.
Not working.
Not working.
Okay, nothing is working at this point. Okay, now I would like to use the power of Docker. Okay, with the help of Docker, I will create some containers and I will see my website should up and running or not. So for that, what I'm doing it, I have this one command. Okay, line number 20. I've done this step 4. Okay, unzip is done. Guys, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Now, what I'm doing it, I'm into my machine. I'm just running the pwd. What will happen with the pwd command?
Present directory.
Present
working
directory.
Present working
And working
Okay,
directory.
right now I'm into the root, or this is my folder name. Okay, so what I'm doing it in my notepad, I just root, I'm just changing my folder name, Carvilla. Okay, and I'm taking one command. I will explain you this command. No need to worry. I'm just taking one command, or I'm running into this place. Can I have your permission to press enter?
Yes. Yes.
Everyone, can you confirm me one more time? Can you confirm one more time the website is running or not? Can you check it?
It's
Not
not
running.
running.
Running, website is running.
No.
Not running,
No.
right?
No.
No.
Let me also check.
No, it's not running.
Not running, right? Okay. Now what I'm doing it, I'm just pressing the enter with the Docker command. As soon as I press enter, something has been downloaded. Container image has been downloaded. Container has been created, and something is done. Okay. Can you check now? Anything is running?
Yes, it is up and running now.
Who is telling?
Sumit.
Only one
running.
person. What about others?
Yes.
It's
It's
running.
Yes.
Everyone?
Running.
Let me refresh and check it. Superb. My application is completely up and running, right?
Yes.
So what we have to
Yes.
learn? Till now, we are doing only theory. Only one command is doing all the things. Correct?
Yeah.
If you understood this command, things are done. And who knows this command? Support engineer, developer? No. Only DevOps engineer knows this command. Yes or no?
Yes.
Because could you please post that command in this group?
Obviously, yes. Okay. Have you downloaded the Carvilla only?
Yeah, all the things done. So I just need that command.
Okay. I'm giving you the command. Cool. Okay. Right. It is working. It will work 100%. Okay. Now, let me explain you this command. Okay. What exactly it is? Guys, think it. You don't know the Docker at this point. Okay. So I'm dividing this command into multiple parts. Okay. I have divided this into the 5 lines. Okay. Now, what is Nginx? Anyone here who knows what is Nginx?
Web server.
Web server.
Nginx is a web server. Okay. If you don't know, let's assume you don't know anything. You can go into the Google and just put Nginx. Okay. As soon as you press enter, Nginx is a web server. Yes, Nginx is a web server. Nginx can be used as a load balancer. Nginx can be work as a cache, web server, driver, kubli, security. So many things are there. But Nginx is a web server. If you want to run any of the web application, Nginx can be used. Okay. And my Cloud DevOps website is also running on the Nginx. Okay. Yes, Nginx is a web server. So I'm telling to the Docker run Nginx. Cool. Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay, I am telling I don't need any output from you, any logs, I don't need anything. So it will be interactive mode and detached. Okay, IT belong to interactive mode, INTERACTIV interactive mode. Okay, and D means detached. I don't want to listen anything from you. Okay, I'm telling detached. It should run on the port number because port number 80 because all the websites run on the web port number 80. Right? Yes or no?
Yes.
-V. Can anyone give me the full form of -V?
Volume.
It's a volume.
Volume. Where is the code available? Code is available into this location. Correct?
Yes.
code is available into this location, and you have to put the code which is available into this location to this location. You have to map this port to this port, means port number 80 of the container, port number 80 of the website. This code has to be mapped into this location with the help of volume, and this is the command I have executed, and my application is up and running. Make sense?
Yes.
That's it. Okay. And my one application is running. Because why you are teaching this running application, all the things, there is a reason. Okay. If you will see here, okay, this part is infra part. Yes, no? Infra. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
This is called platform part.
Yeah.
Yes or no?
Mm.
Means Docker is a platform for me. Now I have this code, Carvilla. If I have another code also, it can be, I can run it. Yes or no?
Yes.
Agree? So
Agree.
this is a platform for me. Okay, Docker is providing a platform for me. Who created this platform? DevOps engineer has created this platform. Okay, and for you guys, this is just a website, right? Let assume you are not a technical person. For you, this is a website. For you, you are a service provider, right? You are just taking the service from this website. Yes or no?
Yes.
Agree? So I teach three things: infra, platform, and at the end it's a
Service.
service. Okay, chalo, let's elaborate this. Okay, let's elaborate this. Okay, cool. Now what I'm doing it, I'm checking it here. We need, for this example, the last example, I need virtual machine, I took operating system, I need Docker, I need Nginx, and I need a code. Correct? Yes, no? 5 things I need. Are yes, no, please, everyone.
Yes.
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 Okay, I need 5 things. When I've combined virtual machine and operating system, I call as an infrastructure. Okay, when I combine virtual machine, operating system, Docker or Nginx also, then I call as a platform. Agree? Means
Yes.
now I can bring any of the code and my application will be run, means platform.
Platform.
Okay, same thing, virtual machine, operating system, Docker, Nginx, website, everything is combined. And if I will sell you, it's a service for you, means I will ready-made, I will send something to you, it's a software as a service to you. Correct? Getting the this example? Yes or no? You understood the difference?
Yes. Yes.
Ready for theory? Now practical done. Now understand the theory. Okay, with example you will understand very easily. Okay, I will take this example in next 5 minutes. Okay, what I'm doing it here, there are three things. Cloud services are divided into three parts: software as a service, platform as a service, and infrastructure as a service. Software as a service, ready to use for you guys. You can directly ready to use the website. Correct?
Correct.
Yes or no? Does everyone agree? Yes, no, please.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Second, if platform as a service build with the help of Docker, Nginx, I build the infrastructure. I can come to any of the code and I can run any of the application on the platform. I can build the application. Correct? And infrastructure service is move. In technical term, we will call as a move. Means you can move into that part, move with the Docker and whatever the tools you require, bring your code, and then your application will be up and running. First, the infra, the costing of infra is very less, platform little bit high, or software as a service very high. Correct? Got it? In another way, I can take an example: unfurnished house. You are taking unfurnished house, then you can create your own things, whatever you want. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Second example, semi-furnished. You are taking a semi-furnished house, means where TV, fridge, and some already things are there. Go and stay from the day one. Already bed is there, right? And another is ready-to-use kind of thing, look like a PG or hotel kind of thing. Ready-made things are there. Directly go and stay there. You are able to understand the difference?
Yes.
Chalo, I will take simple example. Okay, Google Drive. What is Google Drive?
Yes. Yes.
IAS. Okay, in the Google Drive, I can put the data. Correct? Google Docs. What is Google Docs?
Pass service.
This is Google Docs, right?
Yes.
Google Docs.
Yes.
Microsoft Excel is already installed into the Google Doc and I can just put my data. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Right? Yes or no? Or another service, another example is Gmail. Gmail, you don't have to do anything. You can directly use it.
Hmm.
Same way in the cloud technology, virtual machine is coming into the infrastructure as a category. Okay, Google Kubernetes engine or any of the ready-made databases, storage things are directly come as a platform. They are giving a platform for you to use it. And like ready-made services are there like SQS monitoring, you can directly use it. Have you understood the three different terminology: infrastructure, platform, and software as a service?
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Everyone. Guys, I need an answer from everyone, please.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Cool. Thank you. Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Okay. Now, because still doubts are there. Okay. Let me explain this. Everything will be clear. When you will go into your traditional way, okay, you have to worry about the networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating middleware, runtime, data, and application, everything. When you create your own data center, you have to worry for all these things. Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When you go for infrastructure, what will happen? This will be managed by the cloud provider. Okay.
Yes.
No, sorry. This down things will be managed by the cloud provider.
Cloud
Okay.
provider.
Networking, you don't have to worry about networking, storage, servers, virtualization, operating system also, they will provide it. This gray part is managed by the at this point GCP. Okay, after that, this part middleware and runtime means some software has been installed by us, and we are telling that I will do this. DevOps engineer will say, okay, give me this part, I will take care of this part. Okay, so that is called infrastructure as a service. Make sense? Not
Yes.
only DevOps, platform teams are there. Okay, in your company, SRE are also ready. They are also able to do. L3 team, they can also do this part. Okay, another way. Platform as a platform means what exactly it is. Rest everything will be managed by the cloud. Only this two part has to be managed by. And in the software service like Gmail, you have to manage anything? No, you can just play with the direct emails. Facebook, Instagram, and all these things are ready-made things for you. Make sense? Agree?
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Guys, how the session going on? All good? Yes, no?
All
Super.
good. All good. Super. Mhm.
No? Digestible?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
If you will target 10 lakh, 15 lakh package, you have to understand that part with example, with proper thing. If you have a target to go more, you have to understand the CAAS and FAS. Can anyone give me the full form of this?
Container as a service.
Container as a service.
Feature.
In the previous example also, I took container. Okay, with the help of Docker only, I created the application. Correct?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I downloaded the image, I run the image, it become the container, and you don't call directly, okay, because Kubernetes is not a primary part. When the Kubernetes will come primarily, then it is 100% CAS. Okay, so
Yes.
if you're looking for a higher package, because now the applications are running into this. I hope you have heard about the Netflix application. I hope you have heard about the Hotstar application, right?
Hmm.
Can you guess it? How many containers are running into the Netflix application?
Thousands of, I think.
Okay, number of containers is Netflix app. Okay, millions of
Millions.
containers are running per week. Okay, I
Yes.
will teach you the case study of the Netflix also, so that you can say that you are aware about the Netflix flow diagram as well. Okay, if you never use the Netflix, at least download the application. In the Kubernetes class, I will teach the flow or architecture of the Netflix as well. Okay, so yes, so this many containers are running per week into the Netflix. Okay, so yes, how this is possible or where it will run? It will be achievable with the help of CAS, container as a service application. Okay, Kubernetes will come and it will do it. FAAS, anyone?
Function as a
Function as a
service.
service.
Functional. What is the service name into the cloud?
Lambda.
AWS, GCP, AWS Lambda. Okay, we have to worry aware about AWS Lambda also, so that you can write in your resume that FAAS. Okay, right now, if you will target only 15-20 lakh package, they will not ask this question, but sometimes they may come into this part as well. When you are asking the low package under 10, under 20, this much you have to be aware about it. Okay. Now I'm coming into three things. Okay, as I told, container as a service, function as a service. When I'm coming here, I'm going to deliver the two things. Okay, monolithic application. After learning this part, we have to be aware about how the application has to be run. The application has to be run into the multiple ways, but two are the very common way. Monolithic application. Okay, three-tier application. Have you heard about the keyword three-tier?
Yes.
Three-tier
Yes.
architecture.
What is three-tier?
Yes.
Web application, app application.
Front, middle,
Front, middle,
and
and
back
back.
database, right?
Yes.
Front end, middleware, and database. So three-tier application is called as a monolithic application. I'm going to teach you into the project 3 as well. Okay. If you're looking for the containerized application or microservice-based application, a small application part and has to work independently, that is called microservice-based application. That is CAAS example. CAAS example. I'm going to deliver you into the project. Okay. Yes. Okay. And there is one more separate thing, serverless. Guys, can anyone tell me some 2-3 lines about the serverless? 2-3 lines about serverless.
No
Like
physical server.
no need to like configure
Understand with
infrastructure.
this. Understand with this. Okay.
How to
You will
service.
get the answer. You will get the answer.
Whatever we use it, we can pay for the services.
Correct.
You can directly
Okay.
use the service.
Correct.
No
You
need
can
to
see for
worry
hotel.
about.
You don't have to eat and go, right? You don't have to worry
Yes.
about your towel, brush, and all these things also. Correct.
Yes.
If you will go for good hotels, you will get it that. Okay. Another thing, it doesn't matter that you are 2 friends are going or 20 friends are going. You can go that much and they will be ready to serve you. Correct.
Yes.
If you are 20 people, they will ready to serve you. Okay, one part. If you are 2, they will ready to. If you want odd food, you can order it. They will provide you within some couple of minutes. Correct. So
Yes.
ready-made things are possible in the hotel. Same way in the serverless also. You have 100 user in your application with 2 CPU. You can go. Suddenly the 200 CPU required, so it will become a 200 CPU also. You don't have to worry. Or you can say to the hotel owner also. One second. You can go to the reception and say, if any of the guests come for me, you can open a room for him. Yes or no? It happens. When
Yes.
we go for any marriage or something like that into the hotel or resort, if any of my guests came, open the room for him, right? So it's a directly service, means if any of the new application came or new thing has been deployed, create a server for them. So this is called serverless, where you don't have to worry about the underlying infrastructure. Okay, ready-made things will be available for you, means you just have to make a request that I need this and I will do this. And as soon as your guest has been left, okay, he attended the complete marriage function or not attended marriage function, but as soon as he left it, this room is empty and this will be checkout. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
And accordingly, let assume he stay for 3 days, so 3 days charges will be there. If he stay for 1 day, the 1 day charges will be applicable. Correct?
Yes.
Right. And when we go to the hotel, we went to the hotel on the event basis. Whenever the events will happen, then only we will go, right? It's not like I purchase the full hotel for my event. No, right? I will never purchase. Whenever the events will happen, I will go. So serverless services like AWS Lambda work on events. Whenever any of the activity will happen, we will use that service, and you don't have to worry about 2 CPU, 4 CPU, 20 CPU, doesn't matter. Okay. If the traffic is more, automatically it will get increased. Okay, means if developer only want to work, developer bring the code, he want to only deploy directly, okay, without DevOps engineer, then this type of services can be used, right?
Yes.
Okay, but it is very costly. So companies are not directly or every time it is not using it, right? You will create your own house, you will take a rented PG, correct? Rented room, yes or no? Right? Yes or no? If let assume I have to move to the Bangalore, okay, so I will not directly take a hotel for 1 year. It will be very costly. Are you agree? So this concept is very good, okay, but it is for some small event or small time, but for a long run, you have to be aware about infrastructure, platform, and software as a service. This will be for the long run. This will be for the short duration. Got it? Yes, no? All good? Guys, समझ में आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा?
Yes.
Digestible?
Yes. Yes.
सुमित को आ रहा है, अमित को आ रहा है, बाकी
Yes.
others, Atish,
Yes.
Karthik,
Alright.
Shweta,
Yes, sir, definitely.
everyone.
Sir,
Yes.
so developer cannot doing this or
Developer can also do this serverless thing. Developer can also do this because ready-made. See, you can tell to your parents also go to this hotel and take a room, right? They can take. It's very simple. Yes or no?
Yes.
It's that much simple.
And sir, one more question.
Hardik, go ahead.
For the
Hardik, come up with the camera now, please. It will be more interactive. Yes, guys, come up with the camera, please. Now we will talk for 2 minutes. Come up with the camera, please.
For the cloud, is it only the one way? Docker is the only one way to install the application. or is there any other way?
Docker is the best way. There are so many things are available, but Docker is the best option.
Okay. Any other like examples?
So many ways are there. Like you can directly install the nginx manually. You can configure the nginx manually, also install and manually. That will also work as an application. But what will happen in the Docker containerized thing? I'm not using the complete VM. I'm just using the small part of the virtual machine. Okay, with the container. That's why. Okay, there are so many ways. Okay, you can install manually. You can create a server with IaaS also. Okay, possible. But Docker is the one of the best way where you will get a package. If you will say Docker into the interview, it will be impressive. Okay, cool. Yep. Guys, digestible, understandable? Yes or no?
Yes,
One line feedback. Fast, slow, all good. Yes, no.
that's good.
Everyone.
We learn actual website also. How to
Everyone.
learn. Yeah.
Digestible.
That's
Cool. I'm sharing my screen. Okay, now yes. Okay, if I will give you these steps, yes, obviously you can also create a complete application. Okay, right now I have a ready-made platform is there with the help of Docker, correct? I have a ready-made platform. Now what I'm doing it, I'm just running one more new Linux, one more new Docker command, and let's see one more new application is coming or not. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I'm just taking the Windows 11 emulator. Anyone knows emulator?
Kind of virtual, it's
Virtual
a
machine.
virtual machine
No. Not
to
exactly
run
the complete operating system, but
some
similar to the operating system.
flavor of it.
Yes.
Flavor, or like it has been created into the React. Okay, here is the code available in the Windows 11 React code is available. I'm just downloading this code, or with the help of one Docker line command, I'm just running it. Okay, before that, let me check if my Carnival application is running or not. Yes, my application is running. I will run another application on the port number. Okay, port number 3000. Okay, and I'm checking it. Guys, can you also check it? Anything is running on the port number 3000? Check it, everyone, please. For me, it's not running. Can you check it? Anything running on port number 3000?
No, it's not.
Not running. I given the URL into the chat box. Please check it. No, right? No, yes, no, please.
No, it's not.
Not running. Very
No,
good.
no, it's
Okay,
not running.
cool. It's not running. Well and good. Okay. Now what I'm doing it,
Oh, it's
I'm
not running.
good. I'm taking this one line command. Okay. And I'm just wait. I'm just, can I have your permission? Can I press enter? Can I press
Yes.
enter?
Yes.
Yes.
I press enter. Downloading something is
Yes.
happening. Okay, something is happening. Let's wait. And something is done. Can you check now?
Yeah.
Yes, it's working.
Working? What is working?
9:20 a.m.
9:20.
Window. Like
What is
one page.
working? Tell me the answer.
One page is open actually. Front page.
Yeah, it's the
Yeah,
React
time.
page.
Buddy, it's a React page. It's a Windows 11 emulator. Complete Windows 11 is coming. Yes, no?
Correct, yeah.
Yep, Windows 11 is up and running for you guys. Guys, is this stuff?
No.
Tell me. What you have to learn or what you have to understand? Only one line command. Right? If you understood this one line command, you will able to do this. Yes, no.
You have
Right?
you used Docker image, right, for this?
Obviously, yes. Let me
Yes.
explain you. Okay, I told Docker run. Okay,
Yes.
on the detach mode. Okay, with the name this on the port number 3000 with this image latest
Yeah.
version.
Yes. Got it.
Okay, latest version of Windows React 11 on the Blue Edge repo on the port number 3000 with this name and never restart. Okay, and I executed this command and my application is up and running. Make sense?
Yes. Got
That's it. I will teach you all these things, guys. You don't have to worry. You are not familiar about Docker. You will become the familiar about Docker. But I would like to show the power of DevOps and cloud. Okay. If you know the cloud, you can able to get the infra easily. If you know the DevOps part, okay, then what will happen? You will able to create the applications also very easily. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, so we have to learn both the things. It will be very, very helpful. Okay, cool. Now,
I
guys, for one second, for you guys, I'm giving you some more things. Okay, this is Windows emulator. We are running some more emulators for you guys. Okay, for your practice purpose. Okay, Mac. You need a Mac operating system.
From where we are taking this image?
From where we are taking this image. This image was available into this location, Docker Hub.
Docker Hub.
Kuldeep, got my point?
From the server level or from like a browser level?
From the server, from the browser level. Okay, Docker Hub is one of the website available. From that, we are downloading this image.
Okay.
Okay, so guys, for you guys, we are creating some mac.clouddevopshub.com. So Mac operating system will be available to you. Okay, you can use the Mac operating system also for your learning or for your purpose. Okay, it is in the development state. It will be very soon. It will be completely up and running for you guys. Okay, mac.clouddevopshub. Even for the Ubuntu also, we are creating a lab.clouddevopshub.com. Ubuntu Linux machines are available for you just for the practicing purpose. Means the intention of creating this machine is you don't require your personal laptop also. If you have an internet connection, all the DevOps tools is going to be get installed into this place and you can able to use it. Make sense? It is not completely ready, but very soon it will be ready for you guys. So you don't require any software to be installed, but I will suggest you to install and learn everything by own because ready-made things will not be much helpful. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, I can give you ready-made things also, but I want you to create by own. See, now these steps are tough. You can create it by own. Yes or no? The 6 steps, whatever I was doing it. Yes, you can do it by own as well or not.
Yes, we can do it.
Obviously, right? You have to do all the 6 steps also by own. Okay. Cool. Or yes, no.
Yes.
Yes.
Did you
Yes.
follow the same steps to make this labs dot Vikas Cloud or there is something different?
Labs.clouddevopsHub.com. I will give all the links. Okay, let it be ready. Right? It's into the development state.
Okay.
Otherwise, you will complain a lot that because it is not working, it is not working. Let it complete, then I will hand over to you. This has been created for you guys only.
Thanks.
Okay, cool. But I want you to use your own infrastructure so that it will be very, very helpful. Right?
Okay.
Okay. Now I'm coming here. Okay. And yep, we have understand this infrastructure service, platform as a service, difference. Okay. Serverless also, at least definition, guys, keep it remember, please. Someone will ask, have you worked into serverless? You can say I'm working or I'm learning that part. Okay. Cool. We are a little bit aware about this part as well. We have to learn this. I will take you into the examples of practicals. One day I need not 1 week I need to teach you the CAS. One day I need to teach FAS to you. Okay. So you have to give 6 more days to me to complete this part as well. Okay. And after that, some more theory part. What is software as a service, advantage, characteristics, when to use, okay, as well as some more theory part about platform as a service, some more theory part about infrastructure as a service, advantage, disadvantage, characteristics as well. You can read it, it will be helpful. Over the weekend you can do it, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. And another thing is the current market of AWS is around 68% captured, means already 68% applications are running here, 15% experiments are happening, and 7% are planning to use more into the AWS cloud. Same way Azure also, Azure is 58% market. This data is little bit old of 2022, I feel. Okay, at this point Google Cloud market share is around 40%. Okay, experiments are going on 30% kind of thing. So very soon the Google Cloud may also come into the second or maybe into the near to the first level as well. Okay, in the future. So you have to focus on the AWS or Google Cloud. Two clouds you have to focus. If you are only from the .NET background, only from the .NET background or Microsoft background, then you can little bit have a look into the Azure as well. If you're not from that background, no need to go into the Azure. Okay, and because lot of things are very similar, you don't have to worry. Okay.
So, sir, Azure is covered or not at this point?
Hardik, see, the thing is, I will cover up primarily AWS, I will cover up GCP as well. But if you want to learn Azure, as I told multiple times, you can create your Azure account also when I will create an AWS account. Cool?
Oh.
Okay, and you can compare the things because everything is same. Let's take an example. If I will ask you the difference between AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, can anyone give me the difference? Give me the difference, guys.
All are
The
good
market holding,
service.
stake holding of AWS is more.
That's are different.
Holding is more. Okay, what else?
More or less features are the same, names are different.
More, these are the different providers. Services and features are same,
Service
guys.
providers. Yes.
Service providers are
Yeah.
Same
They
features
are
and services
same
are very same.
category.
Okay, I can tell you, I can give you one example. Shubhankar, mute. Okay, I will give you one example. Let's assume you know Windows. Everyone knows how to use Windows, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
If you know Windows, if I will tell you, you have to use the Dell laptop, compact laptop, Lenovo laptop. You can use all the laptops, yes or no?
Yes.
If you know Linux, you can use any of the virtual machine because commands are same. Agree?
Yes.
Are you agree? Yes or no with my point?
Yes.
Right? Same way, if you know driving, you can drive any of the car. If you know one cloud, you can work in another cloud also possible. Just you have to compare the things, that which service is available, what is the name of the service. Same way laptop, if you know how to use Windows, you can use Dell laptop, compact laptop, every laptop. Only the difference will be the on off switch and the pen drive switches are here and there. Rest everything will be very same. Yes or no? If you
Yes.
know driving, 90% things are same. Only the somewhere the key is here, somewhere key is there, somewhere gears are little bit here and there. Rest everything, indicators are little bit here and there. Rest everything is same. Yes or no?
Yes.
Same way, if you know one cloud, you can work in any of the other cloud as well is possible. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I'm just giving you the comparison of all the clouds. Okay, AWS, where the virtual machines are there, the name is EC2. Okay, in the Google Cloud, it's a VM instance. Here in the Azure, it's called as a VM. The name itself is same. Platform as a service, Elastic Bench Stack is there, App Engine is there, cloud services are there. Only the names are different, rest everything is same, very same. If you take an example for the Kubernetes, Kubernetes is a separate open source tool. Docker is a separate open source tool. It doesn't matter that where it is running. Docker is Docker. Yes or no? Kubernetes is Kubernetes. Are you agree? Linux is Linux. It doesn't matter where it is running.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right? So if you know Linux, you can use it in any of the cloud. If you know Docker, you can use in any of the cloud. If you know Kubernetes, you can use in any of the cloud. If you know the cloud services, these services you can work in any of the cloud very easily. Cool? Got it? So you have to focus on one cloud where a lot of job openings are there, where market share is there. If you will focus on that part, it will be easy for you to get a job. Agree? Make sense? Yes or no?
Yes.
Cool. Thank you. Okay. And this is a high level thing. If you learn with CloudDevOpsHub, you can work in any of the cloud, that for sure, very easily. Okay. And this is one of the high level image available to you, which I don't think so you will able to read it, but I will give you this image. After 1 month, you can spend some time into this image. Okay. Not immediately. Is that okay?
Got it. Okay.
Okay. Means first we learn the AWS, then AWS you can compare with Azure or you can compare with Google Cloud. It will be easy for you. Okay, or AWS and Google Cloud, so I will directly compare it everything. You can compare a little bit if you want. If you want to the Azure, you can do it. Otherwise, not required. Okay. Sumit, no need to run. It will not able to readable. Ready? Agree? Right? I will give you. I already given this slide into the LMS system. Okay, you can have a read into this. Guys, how was the session? Have you understood the day two? We have completed the day two part. DevOps process. Okay, no, this one. Complete day two, we have done it. Little everything. We have run the Windows 11 emulator. We have shown the big picture, cloud services, deployment model, everything. Okay. We have talked about compute, storage, database. We have to store the data, networking. If you have to create a VPC, we have to use the network. Okay. Physical setup. This is the physical setup. Okay. This is called physical setup. Traditional setup is called physical setup. Okay, and infrastructure setup, platform as a setup, and software as a setup we have discussed in the today's session. Can I make this day two as a green? What you say? You can have a read. Okay, and let me know that if anything is not covered up, I will cover up. Fine. Cool.
Yes.
Okay. Guys, Q&A or how was the session? First, I would like to listen with you. How was my delivery? Able to understand? Not able to understand? tough, little bit fast, slow, whatever is your feedback.
Smoothly. Now it's good.
Arey, speak bolo bhai, now your time. I speak from the last 1.5 hour. At least 1 minute you can
That's
speak.
good.
Only good, one keyword. Huh?
So interactive and good sessions to
It's good. We need to
things.
get to know about the more things for in 1 hour session.
Okay, guys, if you see at this point, you are not getting any pop-up for my channel if any of the video is coming, right? You are not getting, correct? So can you subscribe this channel so that at least what will happen, you will able to get whenever we are live or whenever we are doing any of the session, you will get the details. Can you please subscribe that? It will be helpful for you. It will be helpful for
Subscribe
me.
already.
Already subscribed. Good. Okay. Switch on the notification also so that you
Yes,
will
yes,
get a
that
notification as well.
that also did.
Cool. Guys, everyone, please. Okay.
Yes, sir. I already subscribed.
Cool. Thank you. Okay, so that if the day 3 already see we are live, so it is showing like this. Okay, so at this point I will add you into we will add you into the playlist also. I will download this video and I will put into the what we can say into the LMS system as well. Okay, so that it will be available for both the places. Cool. Okay, guys, I observed that you haven't commented anything or nothing has been happened. Can I get a comment from you guys? Any comment that how the session's going on into the video, so that if someone
Welcome to some basic check.
some people will never watch the complete video, but what they will do it, they will just see that how the comments are there, right? Yes or no? It happens. Yes, no?
Yes.
Can I get your comments into the video, please? It will be helpful because we are into the Zoom. Okay. Cool. Please. Can I get your comments on the day 1, day 2 video? How was the day 1 video, day 2 video, day 3 video? Like that. Day 3 will come. No need to worry. With the camera, please. We are going to stream live on the YouTube as well. Please. Mute. Yes, I know everything is working. Good. Guys, any question? Go ahead with your questions.
Because I try to do the S3 bucket project, but
Roshan, this is not a S3 time.
okay.
Right?
So I
Don't
just need
confuse other people's.
no, I'm not trying to confuse. I just want that CSS and HTML file to do
I will
that.
give it to you. It's already there into the GitHub. Okay.
Okay.
Check the GitHub of Batch 37. It will be always there. What else, guys? All good? Guys, I'm not able to. I see you are happy. I'm not able to see that you are happy or not. Kuldeep is messaging into group. All good. I'm happy. What about others?
Happy.
I'm forcing you, right? Is that look like that?
No, nobody's.
Okay, cool. Guys, I'm just what we can say stopping the streaming on the YouTube. Okay.